Hello everyone. Today, we are going to cover 5 best quality patio umbrellas in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is Blissun 9-foot lighted patio umbrella. Balmy summer nights invite outings on the deck. This umbrella, with 4 solar-powered LED lights on each of its 8 ribs, adds a twinkle to the festivities. The solar power lights are a nice touch if you were to use the patio at night, our lab tester reported. They were very easy to turn on, too. We found the alloy steel pole and tilting mechanism to be all good quality, as well as surprisingly light. Our lab wasn't as enthusiastic about the canopy, noting that even though it cleaned up easily, and while the manufacturer claims it's UV resistant, it didn't block out all the sun, and she needed to squint a bit to read her laptop. Still, she praised the product, available in 12 colors, for its overall value. Our at-home tester said this umbrella was a great addition to her front porch, which is exposed to the sun during the morning and afternoon. She also said she loved being able to read, work, or eat meals outside without worrying about becoming too hot or sunburned. Number 2. Our second best pick is Best Choice Products 10-foot offset hanging market patio umbrella. Cantilever umbrellas require a little more effort to install than standard umbrellas, and this product is no exception, taking 10 minutes from box to set up. But we recommend this one for its combination of polyester canopy and steel pole. We felt completely comfortable and cool under the 10-foot canopy, which could easily cover a table and 4 to 6 chairs. Water rolled right off the canopy, which dried almost instantly, and our bird dew cleaned right off. However, this product has some downsides. As a cantilever, its setup takes more effort than a standard patio umbrella. Also, the durable pole and mechanisms, rigid in calm air, tend to shake in a moderate breeze. That also could cause the canopy to move, annoyingly shifting the shade coverage. But this is still a solid choice for patio shade if your outdoor table doesn't include an umbrella hole. Our long-term tester praised this umbrella for its expansive shade, which covered her large deck area completely. She said she also loved the offset, cantilever style because her seating arrangement does not allow for a centered umbrella. This umbrella also held up well during a few thunderstorms with no tipping or breakage. Our tester's only complaint was that the listed cream color is more of sun-washed yellow in person and easily shows debris and dirt. Number 3. Our third best pick is EliteShade Sunumbrella 9-foot 3-tier market umbrella. We gave this product, with its aluminum frame and dyed acrylic canopy, top marks for a multitude of reasons: its ease of assembly, sturdiness and durability, one-hand crank and one-button tilt mechanism, and water resistance. We were enthusiastic about how well it effectively kept the sun off a fairly large area. It shaded the area so completely, our tester didn't need to increase the brightness on his laptop. We also found that its thick, acrylic fabric repelled rainwater well, and we could completely and quickly clean up the artificial bird dew we introduced. The manufacturer claims the acrylic material canopy doesn't fade for at least 5 years. The ample 13-color assortment from black to natural and sunflower yellow was far greater than most products we tested, and should easily complement any deck or patio decor. The only downside is the package lacks a base, which, depending on the materials, can cost $50 or more. In fact, it was rare to find a standard style type product that did. Despite this, we find this one an excellent value. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Pure Garden 10-foot patio umbrella. This 10-foot patio umbrella lacks many features of higher-priced products. We tested the materials that aren't the highest quality. But for the price, it would be a good option for a few outdoor seasons. We appreciated its ample shade and water resistance. We liked its generous shade area for the size. You could definitely fit a bistro set under it, and potentially a table and 4 chairs, but also how easily it disassembled for simple off-season storage. You can also buy it in 9 solid colors. In less than 1 minute, our tester inserted the lightweight alloy steel pole into the base, not included, and opened the acrylic canopy with the plastic hand crank. The product tilted with the press of a button, but we believe some people might find it hard to reach. We sent this umbrella home with a volunteer, long-term tester, who said she loved using it to shade her children's toys on their patio. This umbrella provided ample shade for them to comfortably play outside in the peak, midday heat. Number 5. Our 5th best pick is Safavieh Milan Fringe 9-foot tilt umbrella. A flurry of a fringe on top of the navy blue canopy brings a bit of whimsy to this umbrella. In addition to its fun detailing, we especially appreciated the ease of setup, as well as how easy it was to open and close the canopy. Our tester also noted the ample shade, which seemed more than what you might think for the canopy size, that negated the need for sunglasses and made it easy to view the details on a laptop screen. On a moderately breezy day, an air vent kept the canopy from moving too much. Initially, the canopy material appeared to be on the cheaper side, but our tests confirmed its durability. It provided enough shade to comfortably view a laptop screen, water beat it up and rolled right off, and the fabric cleaned up completely. The price struck us as somewhat high. But if you're looking for a chic-appearing patio umbrella, this might be the pick for you. After using this umbrella for a month in her partially shaded backyard, our long-term tester said she could easily work on her laptop while sitting under the umbrella without any glare issues. She said the light fabric did not leak any sunlight, but she did notice that any debris or buds could be easily seen through the canopy. While this is not necessarily a drawback of the umbrella's performance, it may be a concern for anyone especially worried about aesthetics. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.